Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and division is quite simple in fractions. If you know how to do multiply and how to divide, you can easily divide and multiply fractions. Okay, first we'll come to multiplications. If a number is a divided a by b into c by d, then what we have to do is multiply the numerators. A into c by, and then multiply the denominators. B into d. Okay, that will be equal to AC upon BD. Okay, this is as simple as this. Just multiply the first numerator with the second numerator and then multiply the first denominator with the second denominator. Your multiplication will be done. And if it is division, suppose the same numbers, if it says division, a by b divided by c by d. Here what you have to do is first write the number a by b, that is the first fraction, then put a multiplication sign, and this second fraction you just write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this c by d will become d by c, then multiply it. A into d is AD and B into C is BC. This is about division. Further I will solve some examples of division and you will come to know about this. Okay, now let's solve some examples. Here it is 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3. Okay, so what we have to do, first multiply the numerators. 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 3, that is denominators, 3 into 3. So this will become 2 into 5 is 10 and 3 into 3 is 9. So your answer will be 10 by 9. If both the numbers, numerator and denominator, can be divided by any other number, then we can divide it and further simplify the number, like we will see in our next example. Okay, here it is 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 4. So what we have to do, first multiply the numerators. You can write it like this: 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 4. Okay, if you know the tables well, you can skip this step also. Instead of writing this, you can directly multiply this. 3 into 5 is how much? 15. Okay, numerators 3 into 5, 3 into 5, it becomes 15. And denominators 4 into 4, 16. So denominator is 16. The answer will be 15 by 16. Let's solve some more examples. Here it is 1 by 3 into 7 by 2. Okay, 1 into 7 is 7. 3 into 2 is 6. The answer will be 7 by 6. Simple, isn't it? Next example. 5 by 7 divided by 4 by 3. Numerator is 5, denominator is 7. Second fraction, numerator is 4, denominator is 3. 5 into 4, 20. Divided by 7 into 3, 21. Okay, so answer will be 20 by 21. Now here there are three fractions: 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 4. So what we do, we multiply all the three numerators and all the three denominators. You can write it like this also: 2 into 3 into 2. 2 is the first numerator, second numerator is 3 and third numerator is 2, divided by 3 into 4 second numerator into 5 third numerator. So now multiply them. 2 into 3 is this, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 divided by 3 into 4 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60, 12 divided by 60. Now if you see 12 by 60, this number can be simplified. Okay, so first number with which we can divide both the numbers is 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 30s are 60. Then we can divide it by 3 also. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. Both the numbers are divisible by 4. Okay, then both the numbers are divisible by 12 also. Either you can go on doing it in small steps, like 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6, here 0, 30. So this number will become 6 by 30. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 15 is 30. So it will become 3 by 15. Now these numbers cannot be, 3 by 15 cannot be divided by 2. They can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So our final answer will be 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 is the answer for this. Now in the same number, when the answer was 12 by 60, if you know the table of 12, you can easily divide it like this. Okay, if you know the table of 12, then you know 12 1s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay, that is why I tell always you should know tables perfectly up to 9, and if you know up to 20, it is very good for your calculations. Answer will be 1 by 5. Okay, 12 1s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 1 by 5. One more thing is, we can see, I will write the numbers one more time. I will write them here. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. We can cancel the numbers here itself. Okay, see, this 2 1s are 2. This you should do only when it is multiplication. Don't do this in addition and subtraction. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. This and this number is cancelled. This and this number is cancelled. Then this 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So after cancelling, you can multiply. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Here 1 into 1 into 5 is 5. So this is very easy method for shortcut. But initially, if you don't understand this method, then you do it by this method. Okay, you do it by this method, practice it well, and afterwards when you know the tables well, then you can go to this method. Now let's do some divisions. In divisions, what we do, this is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So first fraction we write it as it is, 1 by 2. Next it is division sign. We change this division sign to multiplication sign, and this number 3 by 4, this fraction will be changed into a reciprocal. Okay, we have to write the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this is 4 by 3. Okay, now it has become 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. So 1 into 4, this 1 into 4 is how much? 4 divided by 2 into 3 is 6. This 2 into 3, it becomes 6. Okay, now both the numbers can be cancelled by the 2. 4 and 6 are divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. The answer is 2 by 3. Okay, same number, if I do the cancellation at this stage only, like 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. So anyway, the answer will be same. Okay, next example. It is 5 by 7. You write the first fraction, this first fraction as it is, 5 by 7. Now change this division sign into multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of this number. 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Okay, 3 will go up, 4 will come down. So now this becomes 5 3s are 15. This 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. So the answer is 15 by 28. So students, you have seen that multiplication and division of numbers is damn easy. It's a very easy process. So practice this at home and get perfect in this fractions. Okay. If you want more videos, you just write the topic in my comments box. I will try to make videos on those topics and post it on YouTube. If you want any other videos also, you can tell me. Subscribe to my channel. Whenever I post new videos, you will get the notification about those videos. Thanks for watching.